Hey, it's Joey from Imzz. We're back in the shop. We got Matt's 2020 Street Bob. We're gonna throw a set of our Shin splitter mini floorboards on there, so let's get cracking. All right, follow along. It's gonna be a real quick install. Just get yourself a small flathead screwdriver, like a little pocket screwdriver. On the bottom of that pin, there's a small little C-clip. It's got notches in it for the screwdriver to fit in. Just put it in that notch and twist. Clip's gonna come right off. Just push that. Don't let this drop. There's a spring inside here that's you're gonna lose it if you don't pay attention. We're gonna have to transfer that spring over to our Shin splitters. Do the same over here. Just pop that clip real quick. Get our red Loctite, our ARP hardware, and our Shin splitters we got left and right. Don't worry about putting the ARPs in, or if they're already in, just leave them loose. Go ahead and get your spring transferred over. You see one side's almost bent 90, and the other one's just got a small little 45 kick in it. That 90 side's gonna go inside the peg. And the other end's gonna go inside the peg mount. There's also another hole there. To get your pin all the way through, throw your C-clip back on. You should be able to just push it back on with your fingers. If you have to, you can use the same screwdriver we used to get it off. Now, since we have either a loose bolt or the bolt out, now you're free to clock this in whatever position. Usually want to get it as close to just kind of level with the bike. Gonna slide off the bottom frame rail. Throw a little red Loctite on our ARP hardware. 3/8 12-point deep well so we can get through. Just take it till it's snug. Repeat the same step on the other side. I'm ready to rip.